What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're about to unbox this keyboard. This is going to be a super cool keyboard. It's a 60% keyboard, 68 keys to be exact, and this particular keyboard has some really cool features. Check it out. Check out that box. Let's just open this up, and then we'll get into the features. First thing you see is going to be the user manual, and then you have this cool tool in here, which is going to be the keycap replacement tool. Super dope. This is going to be your user manual, and you get some stickers. Let's go. This here is going to be the keyboard, but let's check out the cable. This is going to be the cable for the keyboard. Now, this keyboard has different options of the way that you can use it. You can either use the cable that it comes with, or there's actually going to be Bluetooth connectivity. So that's a really great option. Depends on how you want your setup to look. You can have that nice, clean, no cable look, or you can have this nice, stylish, corded look here. I like the way this looks. I'm not really sure how I want to set mine up, but check out this keyboard. Now, this keyboard is straight fire. Now, some features about this keyboard. Once again, 60%, 68 keys. The keys are actually translucent. You get this nice LED display up top, so you can have some custom designs, different readings along your keyboard here. And then you have a nice shortcut switch here. And then you have your volume control knob as well. Now, this particular keyboard is going to be your kind of like your silent. It's not as clickety, so it's nice to game with, nice responsive. Now, this keyboard does have a nice weight to it. The build quality seems top notch. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And the way it looks, it's really gonna stand out on your setup. Now, let's get this bad boy turned on. It really looks good with the translucent keys. Now, the only thing you have to do, get it set up on the PC. Well, all right, guys, this is going to be the KT68 Pro Smart Screen mechanical keyboard. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Once again, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.